Thank you to Tik-Tok. I am so happy to try so many different experiments in my home. So, these are some of the Tik-Tok videos that I watched, and I am about to try an avocado seed growing experiment. So, I am just doing something new. It's not about trial and error. I placed the avocado in a paper towel filled with a lot of water and a Ziploc bag, labeled it with today's date, zipped the bag, and closed my cabinet because that's what it said I should do, keep it in the dark. Then I have my avocado seed that's halfway in water, and it has two peaks sticking out of it because that's what I was told I should try. Right. Then I place my avocado seed, one on top of the dirt and the other one at the bottom of the flower pot. We should see how it goes. I put it in my flower pot with the radish. Yeah, just want to see how it goes. It's all about trial and error. I have my water that I cut up banana peels and put in the water. It's supposed to be good for plants. Give your plants some calcium, potassium, and all the fun things. Here are my lavender seeds. That's taken a long time to grow, but that's okay. And my cucumber, looking really nice. Yeah. Every seed did not turn out right once I transferred them, but some of them did. There's the beets still hanging on strong. What do you think? And we have Dio. These are not for sure what it's doing. It's dealing. Then I have my tomato and marigold plant. So that's where we're at today.